Welcome to Jazar YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to solve Microsoft Office Activation Wizard problem. Let's get started. After downloading and installation of Microsoft Office, open your program. Go to Account and click on Activate and Required tab. Click on Enter Product Key instead. Enter your product keys and click on Activate Office. New window Microsoft Activation Wizard appears. Select the option I want to activate software by telephone and hit Next. Copy the installation ID and go to the website getcid.info. Paste the installation ID here, check the I am not remote, select your Office version and click on Get. Copy the confirmation keys and paste it into each box one by one and hit Next. Your Activation Wizard problem solved. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.